Pascal's law. P equals F over A. What is the pressure on a cylinder that has a radius of 6 inches and has a force of 25 pounds? So F in this equation is force, and it's going to be 25 pounds. Area, represented by A, is going to be 36 pi, which equals out to 113.1. So when we have our equation, P equals 25 over 36 pi, or 25 over 113.1. So when we divide 113 by 0.1 by 25, we are going to get 113.1 divided by 25. It's going to give us 4.52. So that would be your pressure there for that one. Now here, P1 equals P2. And the reason why is because when you have a fluid that's being compressed, the fluid is being equally compressed throughout. So that's why when you have something going down here, it's going to go up here because the pressure is even. So for this one, our area 1 is going to be 4 inches squared. Our force 2 is going to be 500 pounds, and our area 2 is going to be 40 inches squared. So what we're going to do here is divide 500 by 40. 500 divided by 40. Divided by 40 gives us 12.5. So then we have F1 over 4 equals 12.5. We're going to times this by 4, and because you do that to one side, you do that to the other. So you times by 4 here, because this is division, those cancel out. So F1 gives you, times that by 4, gives you 50.